Just crushed your workout? Wait. If you eat this wrong, all your effort could be wasted. Most people reach for a chocolate bar or a sugary smoothie, thinking it helps their body recover. But that's the biggest mistake that stops muscle recovery and fat burn. The secret to maximizing your gains? Eating the right combination of protein and carbs within 30 minutes after your workout. This crucial anabolic window is key for optimal recovery. Protein rebuilds and repairs your muscles, stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Aim for 20 to 40 grams of high-quality protein within 30 to 45 minutes post-exercise. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, grilled chicken, or a protein shake. For example, a large egg provides 6 grams, while 100 grams of grilled chicken breast offers 31 grams. Your muscles will thank you. Pair it with smart carbs to refill your energy and restore muscle glycogen. Aim for a 2 to 1 to 4 to 1 carbs to protein ratio, roughly 0.8 to 1.2 grams of carbs per kilogram of body weight. Avoid sugary snacks. They spike insulin without sustained energy, potentially hindering fat oxidation. Instead, choose complex carbs like oats, sweet potatoes, or a banana, which also provides potassium. And don't forget water. Proper hydration helps your muscles recover fast and replaces fluid loss. Replace 150% of fluid loss, about 24 ounces per pound lost. If sweat loss is significant, consider an electrolyte drink. Skip proper hydration, and you'll feel drained and sluggish tomorrow, impacting your next workout. Do this right every workout, and you'll see faster results and shredded muscles. For more health tips and fat-burning hacks, subscribe and like FlipFit yourself. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video and continue optimizing your fitness journey with us.